I know Alan's looking for revenge. Because I shot him last time we were out here.
I'm probably gonna kill him. I'm going aggressive.
Good.
Full auto.
Yeah.
You ready?
Go, go! Go to me, go to me! Pull out! Whoa, shit! That came right over the top of the bus.
The car? We're not bus already?
Far back. No bus.
Copy. They got me covered up this right here.
Hey, look left. Look left.
What?
Look left.
I can't.
Sure you can.
I don't have a good position to switch guns.
Go look left.
Yeah, you got one on your left. Back teepee, back teepee.
How far back?
Yeah.
All the way back.
First, okay.
The last one. He's shooting at me now.
Is there anybody on the car? Yep,
Just watch the bus in the car. You watch that side, I got this.
I'm getting pinned. I can't do anything.
What do you see?
I got nothing. Oh, I got one moving up to the garage. Back of the house. One moved up back of the house.
So much splatter.
He can't aim good. Guess who's there? Alan at the bus. Alan's at the bus. Shoot him.
Ooh!
The back of us?
Yeah, shoot him. Cover the bus.
He almost hit me.
I can wrap him.
Yeah, get that.
Do that.
Changing. Cover.
He's got me hard covered. I can't do anything.
Shoot that way. I'm gonna go wide.
What? Shoot?
Yeah, shoot in there. I'm gonna run behind you.
Copy.
But I can't look right now.
I'm not in a good spot. If I try and peek, I'll get shot immediately before I can take aim.
Alan's dead. Alan's dead.
Alan's dead. GG.
Oh, he's dead, yeah.
Back of that TP, back of the TP still.
Back TP.
Yeah, he's shooting at me now,
You good, bud? You good? I got you. Hey, you want to check garage for me?
Back of the garage.
You want to check garage with me? For me? Just check them. Paint check them.
You're too far back. I can't.
Paint check garage.
Changing.
Oh, I got hit in the foot. Didn't break.
Copy that.
You're too far back. I can't point.
B, I need you to engage. Get in there. Just shoot at the garage. Just shoot at the garage. You got full auto. Just pink out and fucking
If I
fire.
were to peek, I'd be blind firing because I can't move that out.
No one in A-frame. No one in A-frame. Hey, you want to get over here? We're getting a garage. We're getting stuck there. Careful.
We can wrap that front. There's nobody.
There's nobody? Well, just keep watching it.
I can't see anything. You know what? Grenade.
Get in the garage. Shoot garage.
I'm trying to get my grenade.
He's out. He's going. One more garage. I hit him. He's out.
You think a grenade would be wise right now? Okay.
There's nobody on the back of that bus. They're all inside the house.
Alright, I'm stuffing
If
it
we
back
can
in my
push
pouch.
the A-frame and we can cut the corner, then you can probably launch it in there. We take out nothing.
Alright, I'll stuff it back. Nobody in garage. Nobody at the car. That ref almost got shot. Game over? Okay.
Yeah, Rick Bobby's the one that everybody.
Right next to you, changing. There's one at the TP in front of you.
I know,
TP in front,
I saw
TP front.
He peeked. He's still there. He's not there, he's not peeking. I think I got him. Yeah, I got him.
Nice, nice, good job, good job. How many?
Don't know.
Oh, got one, got one.
Copy.
One down, one down.
I see nobody at TP.
One more at the van, one more
One
at the
at TP,
van.
one at TP.
One at van. You said you got TP? TP?
Yeah, one, far right. Right there.
Engage him.
He's not peeking anymore.
Copy.
He's clean peeking.
Watch it.
I'm helping you on TP, left
Copy.
side. I got the doorway.
There's looking out, let him out.
Almost shot that guy that ran through. We're getting a lot of people out.
Back side of the van, back side of the van.
Back of the van. Changing. Changing mags. That was TP.
Changing.
Get that TP covered. I want that guy. You know what?
Back of the van.
I'm grenading.
Grenade the TP if the guy is still there.
Ref, grenade.
Yeah, frag it. I got you.
My grenade's gone. My grenade's gone.
It's gone? Fuck it.
Fuck.
Take cover. Oh, nice fucking shot, bro.
That was a good headshot.
I shot him, I go to peek around again, I'm like, wait, what the fuck? And I look, there's a fucking dude, he fucking, he got me right in the scope.